Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to increase the maximum upload size of a WordPress website. In this video, I will show two ways to increase the maximum size. You can choose whichever you want. Now you will not face any problem related to uploading size until the limit is reached. Let's get started. Our first method is use of a WordPress plugin. It is one of the easiest ways to increase the maximum file size. I will upload a video. To upload the media file, go to Media and click on Add New. Click on Select Files. Upload the file. You can see an error has occurred. Now navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. Go to the search bar and search Increase Maximum Upload File Size. This is the plugin we need. Install it. Click again to activate the plugin. The plugin is activated. Go to Settings. Click here. Here you can select the maximum upload size of the site. I am going to set it to 64 megabytes as it is sufficient for me. Save the changes. Now upload the file again. It is uploading. The file is uploaded now. Here it is, with other media files. This is how the maximum upload size error can be fixed with the help of a WordPress plugin. Now, I will show you second method to increase the maximum upload file size. Here the size is 16 megabytes, which will cause an error while uploading a file of more than 16 megabits. Open your file editor. The file editor depends on your hosting. You can also edit this in cPanel, as your hoster provides. Now locate the htaccess file and open it in the editor. Now paste this code in the file. You can find the code in the description. Save the changes. Click on Yes. Changes are saved. Return to the site. Refresh the page. You can see the limit has been increased. Now upload the file. And now it is uploaded without any error. That's how the upload size limit is increased. I hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.